Hello teachers, welcome back to this tutorial. In this particular video I am going to show you how to add assignments to your courses. Basically that means to go to your gradebook and add any graded assignment, whether it be homework or a quiz or a test or some other type of graded assignment. So we are now going to start building our gradebook. I've just logged into the system. You can see down here I am logged in as John Doe and the role as a teacher, so I have the teacher menu in front of me. In the upper right hand I also verified that I'm in the appropriate year and test course 1. If I wanted to change to test course 2 I would do so simply with this menu, but I want to stay on test course 1 period 1, so that will dictate which grade book I'm going to. If you recall the menu here, the most critical one for teachers, where you'll really the only one where you make changes, is grades. So I'm going to click on grades, and then you'll see the options down here. I'm going to go to gradebook and then assignments. So gradebook assignments. You will see that no assignment types were found for this course. I've not entered any assignments or types. Now you can categorize your assignments by what type they are. So again, you may have homework, quizzes, tests, lab. You may have a multitude of assignment types. This is how we'd set it up. So I think the first thing I'm going to set up is homework. We are going to have some homework grades, so I want to set up homework. Very important at this point to click Save. You'll see in the gradebook, you always see a Save button up here in the upper right hand corner. So I'm going to click Save, and now you will see Assignment Types Homework. Now I can add an additional assignment type just by clicking the plus. The plus button in all of these menus work the same. It's just plus just means add. So very simple. I'll click this, and I'm going to add quizzes here and save, and I'm going to add tests. So we'll essentially have 3 different assignment types, okay? So now that I have those assignment types set up, you'll see in the menu next to here, when I select each of these, when I select homework or click on quizzes or tests, a menu in each of these cases will come up just to the right, which will show what types of assignments are in those categories. So let's say we've assigned our first homework assignment, or we're preparing to. Just click select homework, make sure that's what's highlighted, and then click plus, and we're going to add an assignment. So the title of the assignment will be homework number 1, we'll say. Okay, so I'm typing homework number 1. Now this is important from a weighting standpoint. How many points is this homework going to be worth? So this is how you will adjust and weight the various courses. So we'll say that tests are typically worth 100 points. Homework is only 10 points. So I'm going to add 10 points as the weighting here. And of course, because these are highlighted in red, it means that they are required items. Now you may also want to track when it was assigned and when it is due, but you'll see these are not red, meaning they are not required items. So if you don't want to enter that information to make it easier, feel free. You can also type a description over here. Again, not required, but I'm going to go ahead and type homework assignment on colonial history. Okay, so that is the description. Once I'm done with that, again, always up in the upper right hand corner is save, and you will see now under homework we have homework number 1 assigned, and if I open this you'll see that that information comes up, and you'll see that the assigned and due dates were left blank, but you'll see all the information you typed in here. Okay, now what you can do here as well is go edit each of these. If you click on them, it's okay. You just have the opportunity to change any of that information. You could also come up and completely delete the record if it was mistaken. If not, just save, and we are back. So now we have created a homework number 1 assignment. Let's say we also want to create a quiz. Again, we're going to do the same thing. We've selected quizzes now and the plus button, and I will put quiz number 1. Just say quiz 1, and the points here will be 100 points. And and we'll add quiz on colonial history. Okay. And again, if we click Save, I'm not going to put a assigned or due date. I could put the date that the quiz was given. In fact, let's decide later decided I want to add that. We'll say June 30th. It's the dreaded summer term. So June 30th of 2011. I could just put that in the due date, and what that indicates is the actual day the quiz was given. If I click Save, you'll see June 30th, 2011 is now saved. So it's very, very simple to add a homework assignment, to add a quiz, create new categories. All of that can be done just from this very simple menu again, and we got to that by using grades, gradebook, and assignments.